This is the DROGO Aeroflex Premium Ergonomic Office Chair. Now, I'm a person who was using Green Soul Jupiter for like around 5 years or so, and upgrading to this was a huge difference, like a day and night difference for me. And please take note, this is not a sponsored video or anything. I bought this chair with my own money, and everything I say in this review are of my own experience. But before going into the minute details and all the other things, let me just tell you one thing. This here is a sexy ass chair. I mean, like super sexy to look at. And let me tell you, this here is definitely an eye catcher. And if any people is visiting your home office or your home setup, they are going to be drooling over this chair. You get this in various colors, but I went with the white one because for me, this is the best suited. With the looks out of the way, let's talk about the most important stuff. How comfortable is it? And let's start with the seat. Now this has a wider footprint with the right amount of cushioning. It's not like too hard, not too soft that you sink in. This allows you to be seated comfortably for a very long time. Now I am a person who edits a lot, so I do have to sit for a very long time, and even after doing that for over a month, let me tell you, my butt has always thanked me for getting this chair because it is comfortable. There's no fatigue, there's no soreness, nothing. You can sit comfortably for a very long time, and due to its wider footprint you have more space to be comfortably seated, so that is amazing. Next up, let's talk about the backrest with the inbuilt lumbar support, which is simply brilliant. Now after using this chair with this particular lumbar support, let me tell you, I have never slouched. Now with my Green Soul Jupiter, even though there was lumbar support, I actually slouched a lot. So if I am working for a very long time, I would eventually slouch. But with this chair, I have never slouched even once. And the way this is designed, it actually helps you sit upright even without you realizing it. In the long run, your back is going to be thanking you. Now for my preference, I've kept it at the most back position, like it is kept like really back, and that works for me. But you can adjust it using the knob behind, and the best part, you can adjust the knob from where you're sitting. I mean, it is not the most easiest, but you can definitely do it. I know this lumbar subject topic feels a little exaggerated, but if you know someone who owns this chair, please sit and check it out for yourself. Now I'm a person who doesn't like headrests, and whenever I get a chair I immediately remove it. But with this chair that was not the case, because the headrest here doesn't jam up against your head. Rather, like the name suggests, you can actually rest your head really comfortably without any irritation. But the way you adjust the height of the headrest is really not the best, because it is on the tighter side, so you need to put additional effort to just pull it up or pull it down. Now it has a really good range of tilt, so that is great. And I really wish there was a way for the headrest to come front and go back, because in most cases that would have been more helpful, because you really need not go way back in order to rest your head. So that is something I really wish comes up in the next iteration. Now the entire backrest is made out of a mesh material, and you can actually sit comfortably without having a sweaty back or head. And yes, let me tell you, you can sit comfortably for a long time because it is airy, breezy, and you will not face any sort of discomfort. So again, a huge positive. Now this chair is not meant to go fully flat like 180 degrees, but you can still go a decent amount, and for those short moments of rest, it is really nice. Now the armrests here are really good, but it has its own set of flaws. First, let me talk about the good parts. The soft part of the armrest is really comfy, and resting your arms on it for a long time really won't be a problem. But I'm a person who hates using an armrest, but rather than removing it, you can now simply push it back, and that's convenience at its finest. But like I mentioned, this does have few flaws. Number one, you can't adjust the height of the armrest, and this makes it very less convenient for a lot of people, including me. Now, especially if you want to adjust the height of the armrest to match the desk for a more comfortable typing experience, then this is not going to work out for you. And the preset height here is not going to be comfortable for a lot of people. So basically, the armrest is good, but wish there were some necessary features like height adjust and stuff. Else, this here is super good. Now the base here is rock solid. I face no issues with it whatsoever, and the wheels are super smooth. I'm a person who, at times, becomes lazy and just moves around with the chair. Now, with my green sole chair, that wheel has messed up like really quickly. But with this chair, let me tell you, I face no issues. Just rolling from here to there has been super smooth, no hiccups. It was really good. But the best part is that the metallic portion of the base has the edges rounded off. And let me tell you, your legs will thank you, because with my previous chair, I've had bruises with the sharp edges scraping against my leg, but with this, nothing of that sort has happened. So that is amazing. Now, of course, a lot of things are really positive about this chair, but of course, not everything is perfect. But I wish some things could have been executed much more better. For example, the max height is just short of what I'm used to with my green sole. Now, this is not a huge deal for many people, so don't worry about that. I'm just telling about my particular use case. So, for a person like me who has a relatively tall fixed table, this is comfortable, but wish there could have been a little more height. Now, there's no way you can adjust the length of the seat, but that's not a huge issue. It's just me nitpicking for this price. And that's it. These are like very small issues, but when you take a look at the overall picture, this here is a pretty amazing chair. And let me tell you, I'm not a chair enthusiast, but I have used quite a few chairs in all these years. This is one of the best chairs. So it's easy for companies to make the best of the best and price it like really high, really crazy high prices, and tell this is the best. But in order for a company to execute a really nice chair for a respectable budget is really hard. And let me tell you, Drogo has done it with the Aeroflex. For 14,000 rupees, this here is a remarkable chair. You will be very happy when you are using this chair. Now, I bought this for 14,000 rupees, but with deals going on, you can get it as low as around 12,300, 400 rupees. So I think for that price, this here is an awesome chair. I'll have the links to this in the description below. Please make sure you check it out. So thank you for watching. And this here is Suman signing off. Once again, catch you later.